Hi, I'm Gavin, team mechanic from Thömus Maxon. We're here today in the new service course. We're going to build together the 2024 bike from Matthias Flukiger. We use MOTOREX power brake cleaner to clean the surface here before we put the chainstay protector on. The glue from the adhesive, it sticks really well to the frame and this part won't fall off. We use the bike grease, we use it to stop creaking, and everywhere where metal and carbon come together we can put this inside. So we use the cup paste. We use them on the brake screws, on anything to do with the braking area where it will be high temperatures. For headset cups and seat post, we use the carbon paste. This is carbon and carbon together, or carbon and plastic together is the best product for this. For the crank here by Shimano, we use the anti-seize product from MOTOREX. This is a really high friction area where there's a friction fit from the two crank halves together, and this prevents them from sticking, so even over a longer time you can still take the cranks apart again. For the chain we always use PTFE. This gives us super low friction. In the end we use bike shine, use this to keep the frame looking nice.